I will discuss how we write a HTML document. So student, first of all, I will tell you how to open text editor. In previous lecture, I was told you that everything written in Notepad. So student, how to open Notepad? First of all, we go on Start button, then All Program, then in Accessories section over there, a lot of accessories over there. So we will click on Notepad. So student, notepad window will be open. So it will look like this here. The icon, this is called title bar of Notepad. What is title bar? You can say topmost portion of the window. This is window. Topmost portion of the window is called title bar, where the icon of app along with the name. Then after here, minimize, maximize, and close button over there. You can say under title bar it is menu bar over there. Here file, edit, format, view, help. Inside file we can create a new file, save our program what we are making, close, print, etc. Here inside, if we already made any program, then we can edit inside that. Here format option, on clicking at it, format tab you can say, so we can increase the size of font, we can change the color of font what we are writing here. So here we can view what we have written. Here some help option. So student, how we write HTML code? First of all, I am going to tell you the basic structure of HTML. Here student, it will start from the HTML tag. It will also end with HTML tag. So student, what is the meaning of HTML tag? It will told the user, or you can say it will told the browser, the document what we are writing is of HTML language. So student, from the beginning of the code we write here HTML, and at the last we must write here HTML. Then after writing opening tag of HTML, we write here head section. Inside head section we will write title. Inside the title we will write the title of the page. So we have written here my first web page. Then after we must close title section. Title section is not displayed inside the output window. It will display at the title bar only. Then after here we follow same sequence. If we open here title, then first we close it. Then after we will close head section in same sequence. Then after closing head section, then body tag will start. Student, don't make mistake. Some student make mistake like this. If you have already opened head section, then under head section you have written body. It is wrong. You must close head section before opening body section, because only body section content will be displayed on the output window and nothing else. So student, here we mention here body tag. Then after we have written here this is class 10. Only one sentence written over here. So student, we will close it. Body tag you can say body tag will be closed. You can say any tag will be closed, followed backslash followed by the tag name. So student, we have closed here head section, open head section, then title tag. Then after title tag it will close here. Then head section will be closed here. Body section is started here. Then body section will be closed here. Then after which tag is remaining to close? So here HTML tag is remaining to close, students. So we close here HTML tag. Then after, first of all, we go on here. After writing this, we move on file section. After clicking at this, a menu bar. A menu bar, you can say a menu list will be open. Here written new, open, save as, exit. So student, we must click on this section, save section. After clicking on this, a thing will be displayed like this. Here name of file. So we'll write here any name FIRS is here. First dot HTML. Student, the extension of our document will be dot HTML, or you can write also dot HTM. Then after save it, move on here. We have saved this document with the name first.html. So after that, suppose if we saved on the screen here on desktop, so our file name will be written like this: first dot html.